What's going on, guys? So I'm going to show you how to start a car after it's had an accident and you've got absolutely no power to the vehicle at all. So all you got to do is nice and simple video. I'm going to show you. First thing you need to do is locate the battery. Of course, all BMWs have the battery in the boot. So what you have to do is locate the battery and then find the positive terminal. I'd recommend first you remove the negative, just so once you connect it back up there's no power to the vehicle immediately. So once you find the positive, you've got a small pyro in here. So what happens is once the airbags have gone off, this pyro will also explode and it'll push this pin out. Obviously once it pushes that out, there's absolutely no power going to the vehicle because this is direct from the battery. So you'll get no functions at all. So all you got to do is push that back in and make sure it's got a nice secure connection, and that's about it, guys. Then you'll have power back to your vehicle, and it's as simple as that.